often we think of wildness, we think of wilderness, right? At least in the American context, we have very famous Wilderness Act of 1964. It creates a network of protected wilderness areas around the country. Our vision of what wilderness is this place that's far away from a city. It's a place where we go to visit. No humans live there. In some way, it's pristine. But we know it's not really pristine, and it's been altered. It's shown it's been impacted by human alteration or for humans for a long time. But that's really not the right way to think about a city. A city can't really have that kind of wilderness, but there are lots of ways in which it can be wild.